bike check. He's got his mirico bike check over there. We do both of them. We're gonna get started off with mine. I got my subrosa Altus frame. I have an animal seat. I got my stock cranks, Shadow Conspiracy pedals, Premio sprocket, nice heavy duty. Got my blue Shadow Conspiracy chain. I got white wall tires, Shadow Conspiracy. I got a blue Rant back rim. I got a mid-bottom bracket, Shadow Conspiracy. I got a stock stem. I got my Grand Slam S&M bars, Colt Van grips, Shadow Conspiracy white walls, Rant front rim, just some stock forks. Guess that's about it. Alright, this is my bike, it's a mirico, and I got my Fit Bike Co tires, some duo pedals, purple half-link chain, black ops sprocket, stock cranks, just some stock mid-bottom bracket, 3-piece crank, purple cinema front rim, same Fit Bike Co tire, and I got the Rant back rim, and I got some Van Colt grips as well, some bars that he gave me, a stock stem, and then and then I got a stock seat, and just some purple bolts and shit, so that's about it.